and Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McCracken County, Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lovelessville or 9 miles west of Lone Oak, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Barkley Regional Airport around 6:10 p.m. Paducah, Lone Oak, and West Paducah around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Reedland. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 17. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: McCracken, Kentucky.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.